Back wheels are on. Whoop. Gotta come forward just a little bit more. We're barely on. Okay, so there we go.
Not on over here.
Okay.
You unhooked on that side?
Yeah, you gotta loosen exactly what that. I've got to use it right to that.
Use your wheel. Loosen the.
Gets on it.
Yeah, no, it's just it's not the
Try that.
track. It's the wood. We just gotta jam the wood more, like the.
Okay, try
It's a
it.
little lanky. It's just right at that cross point. Feel it? A little bit of a bump.
Okay.
Yeah. Not bad. It's not bad.
Okay.
We'll just we'll wedges down that.
Got one.
So.
Okay.
Got wedges right here.
So let's load up the camera. Let's see, when we're here, put it that way just a little bit.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, got move. Right there, stop. Whoa! Can I get the front porch too?
Yeah, sure.
Should be right over there.
Okay, lean in.
نگاه کن من میدونم شوهرت کجایه اون خیلی
چرا میپرسی از من اگر خودت میدونی
کجاست
خفن کردی تو اینجا
خفر تو خفن خفر ندیدی من اینجوری خفر میکنمت که بموری اصلا بچه‌تم توی دنیا نبیاره کجاست شوهرت
قضیه زن حامله رو چرا آوردی اینجا ما هیچ کاری نکردیم
شما مردم خراب هستین توی این مملکت
We've been helping with props and art design. The art director is actually, yeah, we've been pretty busy. It's been cool.
What kind of stuff did you do?
We helped, you have to be very articulate about the table setting for each scene. So we have to go back and look at the camera from what was taken yesterday and make the table look exactly how
Was
the
that
table
hard?
was yesterday.
On the tabletop you're talking?
The tabletop.
That wasn't probably too bad.
It wasn't too bad, no. We had to kind of scramble. We had to get a bag for a picture that was taken for a niece. And so we just had to kind of use what we had upstairs, but it actually turned out really good. So it's interesting. I just like you have to, use with what you've got, but somehow it just works, turns out. So, yeah.
So students and teachers, it would have been at best to have done this. We're going to do another insert shot. It's always best to do the inserts all together, but we didn't have a photo of a niece, so we had to break down, get ready for this other shot so that we could in turn shoot her out. But we had to get our cast member to set, or not to set, but to location so we could photograph her, so we couldn't do it earlier. So now we're doing a little bit of double work here, setting up for the same insert shot that we had before, but we didn't really have a choice. So it's best to do it all at once and capture all at once. We didn't have a photo of her, so we took a still photo of her out in the out there by the trailers, printed it, so we're ready to go with that. Just get out of focus, it'll go in focus. Boom. Yeah. Is that where you want it, Chief?
I'll just follow you guys. Just drop them.
Okay. So this will already be in here. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's go, camera.
I need to light this car.
You're welcome.
I'm just gonna have it in my mouth so the smoke comes a little bit.
You know what? Have it in the hand that you used for the photo. That work?
Got it? Sorry about that.
MOS means without sound.
Here we go.
Go ahead and pick it up.
Roll it.
Rolling.
Hey. Go.
And photo.
There you go.
And cut. Good.
Cut.
Okay, move on.
That's cut.
Awesome. Awesome.
Moving on to the